In this video, we will be looking at the Data Import Wizard. Amongst the many functionalities that Salesforce provides us with, it also enables us to import data for standard objects such as lead, account, contacts, campaign members, etc. While the same can also be done for custom objects. Among the various tools provided, the Data Import Wizard functionality provides us with the ability to import up to 50,000 records at a time. So we'll start by preparing data for import and create a file for the same. In this case, I've already prepared a dummy data that we'll be uploading under the lead object. These are the 10 dummy values that we'll be uploading under the lead object in Salesforce. I'm currently in the home page. Let's navigate to the setup gear and click on it. Type in data import and click on Data Import Wizard. Scroll down and click on Launch Wizard. Now the kind of data that I'm importing it under is lead. So let's click on lead and it's a standard object. We are adding new records, so we'll select add new records. The kind of file format that I have saved with me is CSV, so let's click on CSV. Let's choose the file. Click on next. Now we currently have two unmapped fields, so we'll go ahead and map these two fields before the import starts. So we'll map first name with first name. Click on map. We'll click last name. We'll map last name with last name. Click map. And let's click on next. All the 5 fields are mapped and there are no more any unmapped fields. So let's click on start import. The job is done. Let's click OK. Now to see if those fields have actually been imported to lead, let's head towards the lead tab. Now let's tally the records with those in our file. As we can see, all those 10 records have been successfully imported under the lead object. And with that, we have successfully used the Data Import Wizard to import leads from our CSV file into Salesforce.